Very good afternoon. Myself Arjun Meghwal, lecturer, Government Polytechnic College, um, Dosa, and today I am going to discussing about very important topic of software engineering. The it is very important in of the software engineering. We are discussing about what is the major difference between waterfall model and spiral model. Hmm. तो मेन जो डिफरेंस आपकी वाटरफॉल मॉडल और स्पाइरल मॉडल में ये है कि जो वाटरफॉल जो मॉडल है वो आपका सीक्वेंशियल मॉडल है। उसमें एक स्टेप कंप्लीट करने के बाद आप सेकंड स्टेप पे जाते हैं, सेकंड से थर्ड में जाते हैं, थर्ड से फोर्थ में जाते हैं। जब तक आपका स्टेप कंप्लीट नहीं होता तब तक आप नेक्स्ट वाले स्टेप पे नहीं मूव कर सकते हैं। इसी तरह से आपका जो स्पाइरल मॉडल है, वाइल इन द केस ऑफ द स्पाइरल मॉडल इट इज़ ए इवोल्यूशनरी मॉडल। द 360 डिग्री जो है टोटल, उसको 4 सेक्टर ऑफ मेजर एक्टिविटीज़ में उसको हम डिवाइड करते हैं। पहली जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं वो प्लानिंग, सेकंड है वो रिस्क एनालिसिस, थर्ड है वो आपका डेवलपमेंट, फोर्थ है आपका असेसमेंट। प्लानिंग के अंदर हम डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, अल्टरनेटिव्स एंड कंस्ट्रेंट्स। रिस्क एनालिसिस के अंदर हम एनालाइज अल्टरनेटिव्स एंड अटेम्प्ट्स टू आइडेंटिफाई एंड रिजॉल्व द रिस्क इन्वॉल्व। डेवलपमेंट के अंदर हम प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट एंड टेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट। असेसमेंट के अंदर हम करते हैं कस्टमर का एवोल्यूशन। तो ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट phase planning is performed, risks are analyzed, prototypes are built and customer evaluate the prototype. During the second phase a more refined prototype is built, requirements are documented and validated, and customers are involved in assessing the new prototype. In the waterfall model errors or risks are identified and rectified after the completion of the stage by stage. We are doing all the jobs, rectifying and find out the errors and removing of the errors. In the case of spiral model, error or risk are identified and rectified earlier. In the waterfall model is adopted by the customer, while the spiral model is adopted by the developers. Waterfall model is applicable for a small project, while the spiral model is used for large project. In the waterfall model, the requirements and early stage planning is necessary, while in spiral model, the requirements and early stage planning is necessary if required. In the case of the waterfall model, flexibility to change in waterfall model is difficult, while in case of the spiral, flexibility to change in the spiral model is not difficult. There is high amount of risk. There is high amount of risk in waterfall model. There is a low amount of risk in the spiral model. The waterfall model is comparatively inexpensive, while the cost of the spiral model is very expensive. So in case of the spiral model, an important features of the spiral model is that each phase is completed with a review by the pupil concerned with the project, designer and programmers. This review consists of a review of all the product developed up to that point and include the plans for the next cycle. These plans may include a partition of the product in a smaller portion for development or components that are implemented by individual groups or persons. If the plan for the development fails, then the spiral is terminated. Otherwise, it terminates with the initiation of new or modified software. The advantage of this model, this means the spiral model is the wide range of options to accommodate the good features of the good life cycle models. It becomes equivalent to another life cycle model in appropriate situation. It also incorporates software quality objectives into the software development. The risk analysis and validation steps eliminates error in the early phase of the development. The spiral model has some difficulties that need to be resolved before it can be a universally applied life cycle model. These difficulties include lack of explicit process guidance in the determination of objectives, constant alternatives, relying on a risk assessment expertise, and providing more flexibility than required for many applications. So this is all about the waterfall model and spiral model comparisons, and it is very important question in the light of BTR examination point of view. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.